How to add money to PayPal balance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply show you how you can add money to your PayPal balance. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add money to your PayPal account or your PayPal balance, first of all, you must first make sure that you've already added your and set up your PayPal balance account. So at the very top, you can see the PayPal balance, right? You want to make sure you've set that up. The other thing you want to make sure is that you have linked a payment method that is either your bank or your card. So to do that, first of all, you just want to come to the wallet icon from the bottom right. When you come to the wallet tab, make sure you're under the wallet from the top again, and here you'll find the option called add bank, cards, or whatever else. So you just want to make sure to tap on the option respectively and make sure to connect your bank first of all. Now once you've connected the bank, we're going to come back and then we're going to add funds to our PayPal balance. To do that, just tap on the PayPal balance account icon from the very top of the screen, and once you tap on that icon, here you'll see this kind of interface where you have to tap on the option called add money, which is at the bottom left. And when you tap on the option called add money over here, you can simply select the option called add from your bank, add cash at a store, direct deposit, or cash a check. So since we've already linked our bank account, you can just select the option called add from your bank, enter the dollars worth that you want to go ahead and then add it, and then tap and continue. Just review your transactions, such as you can see the bank. If you want, you can change if you have some other bank account available. And then once you've done that, tap on the option called add money, and when you tap on the add money, you should be able to successfully add money to your PayPal balance. That's all it takes to add money to your balance on PayPal from your bank and a debit card, of course. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.